Hello Jewels. So today I will be doing an unboxing on the FabFitFun box. This is the spring box. This box is seasonal. It is, you get it 4 times a year. You can pay, I forgot how they had me do it, but you can pay, each time the season comes, or you can pay annually. I pay annually because it just makes it easier. So I basically pay about $200 a year, and I get tons of beauty supplies, beauty, makeup. It's like basically a lifestyle box. That's why I like it so much, and that's why I pay for it, because you get all types of stuff. Honestly, I don't know what I got in this box this month, but I'm gonna show you what the box looks like. I just broke the seal just to let you know. Oh my god, it's heavy. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, Casey. Oh, it looks like this. It's really big. Okay. Inside, you get this book. You'll see the products that you got, and you'll see, different things. Let's see. Like it says, 10 ways to kickstart your happy. It's just a cool book. It's like a lifestyle book, just like the box. And you'll also find, the items that are in your box. It used to have the prices, and it doesn't have it here, but the prices are on, like when you pick your products online. So I will post those prices, of the items below. And let's get into the box. Excuse my messy room as well. But excuse this noise, because I hate that noise myself. Look at this. I'm gonna give these to my daughter. Those stickers. I'm not going to use that. Alright, so this product is from Human+Kind. It is a 2-in-1 hand scrub, and it is awesome. 2-in-1, okay, moisturizing hand scrub, elderflower and raspberry. Okay. It will soften your hands, feet, elbows without drying them out. I keep it by my sink. Where like I may wash dishes or in the bathroom. It has like these, little scrubbers. Oh my god, it will make your hands smooth and soft. I love this. I'm really excited that I got another one in the box. Okay, all right, and I'll also put the details below so you can know the pricing and all of that. So okay, this is interesting. I think I got something like this before, so I probably will do a giveaway for this. It's called Double Act Shadow Stick with Sharpener, and it's called Cookies and Cream. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That is the pencil. It's one side cookies, one side cream, and that's the sharpener here, matching my nails. Okay. This is some nice stuff to give away, honey. Alright, let's see. I know I'm tripping right now. Okay, the next one is by Farmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to really see what it is while I am talking to you. Apply to clean face. Use AM and PM. Okay, an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin with lasting hydration. Okay. Restores moisture to help visibly plump skin and improve the look of fine lines. Okay. For normal to dry skin. Normal to dry skin. And I like Farmacy beauty things, so Farmacy things. Let's see what it looks like inside. Because I need somebody to open my stuff, because I am the absolute worst. It's like they make it so difficult for me. Why would they do that? Oh, excuse me, fancy pants. Oh, okay. This is something I did want to try. It comes with a little spatula. And the crazy and awesome thing is, look at this. Can't lose that. So, this is really heavy. This is really good. Okay. It's all sealed up. I wanted to try this, so I'm going to keep it. Okay. And I'll let you know my opinions on this. This is really like, you know, but I'll try it when I get to it, because I don't like to open a million beauty products at one time. So I definitely will open it and get to it and let you know my opinions, and I also have the details below. Okay, so this next item is a spoon rest. I know, so boring, right? And I remember I specifically picked this item because I moved about a year ago, and when I cook, I like to rest my spoon on a spoon rest, not the counter or the sink or the pot. I don't like mess. So yes, I definitely wanted this. I remember picking it now. So let's see how it looks. I'm sorry, and it came in a box like this. It's so big though. So let's see what it looks like. It is. I just need directions on how to open stuff, and maybe we can get somewhere. Well, this one's big, pretty big. That's nice. It doesn't look like my other one. It's just a simple spoon. You just, you know, it's two-tone. It's really pretty. You just brush your spoons here. That way all the mess gets in here, not on your counter, not on your pots. Yeah. I know, pretty. What else did I do? What did I get? What is this? A Cuticle Cream. Oh, that's it? I'm so crazy. A light luxe cream infused with powerful probiotics and rice water to help hydrated cuticles. Push the button on the bottom of the pen to extract cuticle cream. Apply small amounts of the cuticles. Massage in a circular motion. May be used on bare nails or over polish. Okay, it comes like this. I thought it was going to be something else. Okay, cuticle cream. My cuticles are a bit dry, so I really would not mind using this and destroying this box. It has tape on it. Oh, God, why would he do this to me? Oh, but I don't hurt myself. Okay. Then I would open it from the bottom. Like, why would I do that? Okay. I think. Oh my God, I am making a mess. Sorry, guys. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm really curious now. And it says, okay, you open this. Okay, so it's interesting. That's what it looks like. And since you push it, why am I doing that? You push it. This little thing here, I'm gonna push. I'm scared. Nothing's coming out. And I'm assuming because it's just, you know, first time using it. Okay, I see stuff, I think. I don't know what I'm seeing. Let's see. Oh my God, it's not coming out. How many times do you have to push it? It's really not coming out. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, it's coming out now. Oh my God. Okay, it's coming out. It's white. Wait, you can't see it like that. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna dap it on the top of here. I guess I should do my whole hand. I guess I did too much. I'm just gonna wipe it on my cuticle. Sorry. Because they are pretty dry. I did my nails right before this video, so now I'm just gonna rub it in. Oh, it's really soft. And I'm gonna see how often you are supposed to use this. And I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna update you guys on, you know, how my cuticles look, how they feel, you know, because I'm going to use this, honey. And this is something you put in your purse. So even after you get your little manicures and all that, you can upkeep your cuticles with that. That is perfect. And I am ashy. Let me put some lotion on. Oh my God. Okay. I did just wash my hands, so excuse it. Because, like I said, I just did my makeup. Because I had to film some videos. Okay. Alright, what do we have here? What is this? Okay. This is Prive Revaux Eyewear. I don't remember picking this, but I could have. Okay. Let's see. I got glasses. Look at this, honey. They came in a bag. Okay. Let's see. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, these are cute. I would wear these. I had to pick this. I don't remember, but I definitely had to pick it. I need to get this plastic off. Okay. I like it. These are my style. They look like my Jimmy Choos. Okay. Okay, I got my lashes on, so you can tell these are me. Alright. Excuse me. No, I really like these. Okay, these are really cute. And I will have the details of that below too. And I am still pulling out items here. Okay, so the next product is a Lazy Susan. And I think I picked this. I love to entertain, and it's something you can do. You set out your little whatever you want to entertain your guests with, whether it be chips and dip or whatever, or I don't know what you want to serve your guests, but whatever you're serving them, you may want to use a Lazy Susan because it will spin, and everybody can be able to not reach over food, but be able to grab it perfectly without, you know, spreading the germs because it's COVID and all. Let me stop playing. But yeah, I always wanted one of these, so it was kind of perfect. But do you see what, if it's not together, I'm gonna blame you guys. Let's see. I'm scared. Put together. Put together. Okay. Perfect. Put it together. Okay, so basically you just sit it on the table, and that way, you know, oh, boom. Oh, God. I know you can probably make this, whatever, I don't care. But I am not going to make it. So, this is perfect for like an intimate setting. If you having a big party, and it's beautiful. Look at that. But this is perfect for like an intimate setting. You have a couple, you know, like 2 to 4 friends over. This is perfect. I know, but it's an eye serum. Okay, what does it do? Because I'm so confused. Apply morning and evening to the eye area. And what does it do? A refreshing gel serum that reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. I need to see how you apply this though, because are you applying it here? Like right around? I don't know if this was an item that they chose for me, because you do get to choose more items being a annual payer. Versus a seasonal payer. So I'm an annual payer. That's another reason why I upgraded too, because I want to pick more. So, okay, this is what it looks like. So they picked a writing that's really hard to read. So let's see what it looks like. I am not applying this because I don't even know how to use it. Okay. Oh, this is weird. So like, I guess you just like put it on here like that. It's like, oh no. I'm gonna have to freaking Google this. It's like a little ball thing. I don't understand. I don't understand how this works. I don't know. This may have been a product that they chose for me. I don't remember. But I will have details below. And my opinions if I want to keep it or I'm going to do it for a giveaway. But right now, I just need to know what it is. So, yeah. And here's some examples of the Lazy Susan. It looked like they put some little ideas. See? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, the Lazy Susan. $15 off the box. And for whoever can type this code in the fastest can get this $15 off. And I'll also read it. The code is S, it's a lowercase s, the number 1, and there is a dash, and it's lowercase a, T as in Tom, H as in Harry, and R as in rabbit, A as in apple, all lowercase letters. And use that code and you'll get $15 off your box. It is only redeemable on one box, so good luck. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to look out for the giveaways video. I'm still thinking of how I want to do that. I want to make it fun, of course, and you know, leave your comments below, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, okay, so you can know when I upload that giveaway video, so you can be up on it, okay. And bye, Jules, have a good one.